Usually I serve my roti on the side of a delicious saucy curry just to mop it all up, but I'm going to show you another way to use it. They're super versatile. So what I'm going to do is place one of them straight into a pan. Now, if I was going to serve it as is, then I would put this on a high heat, but because I'm making roti quesadillas, I want this on a medium heat because I want the heat to slowly warm up the bread, but also cook the ingredients inside, i.e. lots of cheese. So I want to add some Italian-inspired flavours here, very pizza-like. So we'll place some of our tomato paste onto the roti. To this we'll add our cheese, some mozzarella. Just spread that around. And it's okay if it goes onto the pan too. They'll go really crispy as it cooks. And some lovely dried oregano. I want some heat, so I've got some chilli here, but you can leave that out if you like. Some black olives and some mushrooms. So these fillings obviously inspired by a pizza. Okay. A little more cheese over the top. And then I'll get my second roti and place that on top. You can see that they're already being cooked, so what we're doing is warming them up and allowing them to go crisp. We don't want them to burn as this starts to cook, so I'm going to give that less than 30 seconds on that side, flip it over another 30 seconds, and then flip it a few more times just to ensure that all of that cheese has melted nicely. This is looking good. See those crunchy bits there from the mozzarella? I'm going to slice this into quarters and just have a look at that. All of that cheesy, tomatoey goodness, all wedged between two beautifully thin pieces of roti. If you're after a really quick snack after school, or you want something that's just going to hit the spot, then try these. It's a real combo here, Mexican quesadillas made with Indian roti and Italian flavours.